Okay, we'll need Brussels sprouts, parsley, thyme, a lemon, Pecorino Romano cheese, and of course, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Cut the brown ends off of the Brussels sprouts and then slice them into quarters. If they're really small, you can just leave them in halves. Place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then toss them all around until fully coated. Place them in a preheated 425-degree oven for about 25 minutes. While they roast, use a microplane grater to zest 1 lemon, and then finely mince up a bunch of fresh parsley and also some fresh thyme. Then combine all of that in a bowl with some finely grated Pecorino Romano cheese. Then use your fingers to mix everything together and make sure there's no lumps of lemon zest or cheese remaining. Remove the sprouts from the oven when they're nicely browned and crisp, and then add them to a bowl and toss a few times until they're thoroughly coated in the mixture. Transfer to a plate and serve immediately.